Okay, so hi there everybody. We're going to continue with our playlist and introduction to Vedic Mathematics. So it's quite some time that I haven't uploaded it here. So let's get into it. So this is going to be another short video. So this is 1.2 now, subtraction or subtract any number from perfect base numbers, which is now when the number of zeros in the perfect base number is more than the number of digits and the number being subtracted. So that is the number of zeros in the perfect base that is in your minuend is more than the number of digits in your subtrahend. Now, let's give you an example for this. Say you have 1000 minus 64, wherein you can see here that 1000, there are more zeros here in the minuend than the number of digits in the subtrahend. So what we will do is we will improvise actually. So what we'll do is we put a 0 before 64 to make it like 064 to make the number of zeros in the perfect base number to be the same as the number of digits in the given number. So that is, we're going to make this as 064. Okay, and now making use of the sutra, the Nikalam sutra, which is all from 9 and the last from 10. So we don't need to watch, actually, we don't really need to look at the 1000. So what will you add to 0 to make it 9? You know, that's 9. What will you add to 6 to make it 9? That's 3. And what will you add to 4 to make it 10? So since last from 10, so that's 6. So therefore, our answer, 1000 minus 64, is simply 936. Okay, so let's give one more example for that. Let's say we have 10,000 minus 36. So imagine 36, since we have 4 zeros, we're going to imagine 36 to have 2 zeros before that. So what we will imagine is a 0036. So making use of all from 9 to the last from 10, so what we have is 996, and then last number 4. So 10,000 minus 36 is 9,964. Okay, so those are our simple examples. Let's go into practice. You may pause the video and try to answer it yourselves. Okay, so let's get into it. So we have 1000 minus 84. Imagine in 84 that you have a 0 there. So 084, all from 9 to the last from 10. So what we have is 9, 1, and last number 6. So 916. Number 2, we have 10,000 minus 732. So what we have is, since there are 4 zeros, we need to make that up. So we have 0732, so that's 926, and last number 8, 9,268. Number 3, 1,000 minus 51. Improvise, put a 0 there. So what we have is 949, since 1 is the last number. And we have 100,000 minus 426. So we will add 2 zeros here, which will give us 9957, and then last number. What will you add to 6 to make it 10? 4. So what we have is 99,574. Okay, so I believe we will end here. This is a short video. I'm going to continue this the next part with the sub-base number. So thank you very much. Hope you like and subscribe, and there will be more after this. Okay, so see ya.